Yo, today we're gonna be playing some open guesser.
We're just doing some duels.
Okay, let's head into our first one. Okay, first I feel like
Turner Road. This looks like the U.S.
Northern Hemisphere.
I'd say like it's kind of like Virginia. Not gonna lie.
I feel like it's
Could be like
I think it's
like-
like North
like Nebraska.
Okay.
I don't know.
I feel like it was Nevada.
It was Kansas.
Yeah,
Or, well,
it was.
my turn.
Ooh, we're winning by 281.
Come on. Okay, Spanish speaking country.
I feel like it's
Actually,
Mexico.
That might be Italian.
Okay.
Yeah, that might be Italian because Vende is Italian. I'm pretty sure. Except I don't know.
Oh, let's go.
Juan has got to be Spanish.
Okay, let's go north.
Southern Hemisphere.
Wait, it's Indo. It could be Indo.
They don't speak Spanish though.
Like a part of Indo might.
Maybe like.
Let's
go like Peru.
Peru. Oh, it
was Argentina.
Yeah. Okay, we're not winning by much now. Now, this looks like
Canada. Oh, what hemisphere?
southern. Just look, and if you go anywhere there. Oh, northern. It's northern. Yeah, I feel like it's northern hemisphere or near the equator.
Cannon Creek.
I feel like it could be here.
I don't think they speak English there.
They
don't have coverage in DRC.
I feel like
they don't speak English there.
I know. I'm trying. It could just be Australia. Safe bet here.
I guess. I don't think it's Australia, but
I mean, like other.
Could be South Africa.
Yeah, but I just feel like it's. Yeah.
Well, it was Australia. It was on the coast though.
Okay, let's go one.
Alright, let's do another deal.
Okay. Let's go. Ooh, P390. That's P. Right there.
I see it.
Bet, that's good. That's 24 miles.
24 miles. Oh, let's go.
What a guess. Okay, 4K, almost 5K.
What hemisphere?
Southern.
Alright.
Give me a sec.
Could be orange.
Trying to check if it's Colombia.
It's not Colombia. Could be orange. It's Paraguay. Okay.
Was it? No, it's Brazil. It's on that. Brazil. Okay, I think we're still winning. Okay.
How are we still winning?
Because of that one really good guess. Bolivia.
Bro, what just happened?
BU? Bolivia? No. BU. What?
I get Peru vibes.
Baba. What?
I get Peru vibes.
Okay.
I don't know why.
Okay, guess Peru. If you think Peru. No, I guess Peru. Guess like North Peru. Spain.
What? No, what? We should not have won that.
Yeah, 100%.
Omsk. Oh, wait, Omsk. I know where that is.
I don't care.
It's Russia. Omsk. That's Cyrillic.
Okay. Northern Hemisphere.
It's probably Russia.
Okay, I'm going like. So normally they're in Russia.
Yay!
Oh, okay, so it was Russia.
It's more south.
Yeah.
Whatever.
1,000. Okay. Burton's Vine?
Well, haven't we gone this one before?
No.
I think we have. I swear we've gone Birdsville before.
Okay,
I think it was Australia. It was like South Australia.
okay.
Oh!
It was. Okay.
Let's go.
Can't blame me for that. What did he guess? I feel like he guessed India.
Iran.
Okay. Winning. He left, so doesn't really matter where we go.
Why did he leave?
I don't know. It just says
Sterling Drive. That sounds so.
Stop. I feel like it has to be Australia, right?
Yeah, probably New South Wales.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh!
Yes. Okay.
Sterling does not sound American. I mean, I know it's English.
What is this?
Bermuda.
Bermuda is somewhere the Bermuda Triangle. Okay.
Well, I know this one. No, I know this.
Okay. I'm trying to.
Bro, trust. It's Christmas Island, bro. Trust.
Okay.
It's Christmas Island, bro. Trust.
I won't blame you.
Imagine it actually is Christmas Island. Or is it Coco's?
It's Christmas Island. Go to.
Bro knows about Christmas Island. Let's just go down here.
Brethren.
Brethren.
Okay.
No, but I actually know a way to see if it's Christmas Island. Because there's Christmas Island has like a specific type of crab that nowhere else in the world has.
Okay.
They're called the Christmas Island crabs.
Okay, come on. India?
India.
It just gives me like.
No, I saw like something per, like PUR. So near Yiper? Question mark? Question mark?
I'll say Yiper.
I don't know.
Wait,
Where did they guess?
Okay.
Egypt.
Okay.
What?
Okay, so.
Private property, no trespassing.
Is that English? No, it's Canadian, right?
Canadian, they speak English in Canada.
I know. I think it's in Canada.
Well, stop. I'm trying to read the street name. Skimmikin Lake Road. This looks Canadian, not gonna
Yeah,
lie.
I'll say Canada. Like right around there.
It's a tongue twister, so it's probably Saskatchewan.
Yeah. Like over here. I feel like there has to be water over there.
Oh yeah, because it's a national park. This could be a national park.
Yeah. Or just someone's house. Honestly, I feel like someone's house. Okay.
It was Canada, but it was
Germany?
Germany, bro. What?
Okay. Next round.
Oh yeah. 97.
I know where 95 is.
Yeah, I know where 95 is. 95 is like.
Right over there.
95 is right here.
Okay. What's 97? It should also be going north-south.
97.
Has to be like in 95. Has to be. The one.
I can't really find it.
Let's go 95.
Maybe it's one of the white ones.
Yeah, let's just. No. Let's just go 95, honestly.
Let's just go somewhere on 95. It doesn't really. Does it look like Virginia to you?
No.
Just go Pennsylvania. I don't know. How do they know that?
Okay.
How did they go from like a couple bad guesses, like they guessed Germany on Canada, to that?
Okay. Wait, give me a sec. I know this location.
Sweden? Question mark?
No.
Sweden?
It's Finland.
How do you know?
You don't talk about that.
What led you to Finland?
um.
Lake Vale Road. Oh wait,
Wait, what hemisphere?
Australia.
Oh, okay.
I know that bollard. That bollard's Australian, trust. Because Australian bollards have the red reflector on the front
Okay.
and that bluish gray reflector on the back.
Okay,
I don't know which state.
Let's go,
I'm from
Queensland. Yeah,
Queensland. That's where my mom grew up.
Ooh.
How do they know that it was New South Wales?
I guess they're earlier. I guess like right around there. Oh, a bit ago.
Boys, this is the same person we got before who left.
No.
Yeah, they left.
Oh,
They
yeah.
left early. This is the same person.
It's northern.
Northern Hemisphere. India?
Yeah, I was just getting Indian vibes, but I feel like it's Nepal.
No, just go India. Be safe.
Okay. So, it could just be Nepal. Okay. Oh,
What? Kenya?
Kenya. Okay.
They're cooking us. Western Highway.
Ooh. It has to be on the western side of the northern southern.
Hemisphere. Australia?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Southwest.
let's just go Australia.
Let's go West Australia. Yeah, Western Australia. Just go there. Just be there.
Western Australia is really hit or miss because you either guess it and you're either really close, or it's in like New South Wales or
Okay.
Queensland. Queensland is the undisputed best state.
That was good.
It's
Pretty
the
good.
best Australian state in the game.
Do we won? No, we lost again. By only a bit. Okay, please wait 10 seconds. Okay. Psychopathic thoughts owner. Okay. MT.
That's Brazil. There's a part of Brazil with MT. It's right there.
MT. Okay.
Right there.
Okay. MT what?
383. Oh, I feel like I've gotten 383 before.
MT was 383. 380.
364.
I feel like it has to be here.
Yeah, let's just go there.
Here or in.
They're gonna get like 3 yards away or something, bro.
But we got 3 yards away from basically.
From them.
Yes. Maybe like. Oh. They actually got more precise.
How?
Ruta?
Ruta is this is Argentina, right? Am I sweat for that?
This man knows a specific car. He knows the cars of Google Maps.
No, but the Mongolian cars are like really easy. Cause it have like the camping thing on the top of it, on the roof rack. It's really hard to miss if you look at the street car. Like if you look at it and you see that, you just instantly know it's Czechia. Czechia.
Trust.
Question mark?
Trust.
That's
me.
not in Africa. That is not in Africa.
Okay, I'm just kidding. Trust me.
Czechia.
It's
Serbia, bro. Trust.
No, it's here. It's here.
Okay. I mean, they're all pretty close together.
Trust.
It's crazy to me that how like most U.S. states are bigger than a lot of European countries.
Like Alaska's bigger than Greenland.
Is it actually?
No, yeah, I mean a bit smaller actually.
Should we end the video here?
Sure.
Bye, internet.